Welcome to SigzenERP. In this video, you will learn how to manage website and e-commerce in ERPNext. Let's start by viewing the website homepage in the e-commerce section. To begin, click on the Products section, where you can see all available products. You have the option to apply filters to narrow down your search. For example, if you want to see only watches, select the Watch checkbox, and only watches will be displayed on the website. Similarly, click on Gold to view only gold items, or click on Mobile phone to see only mobile phones. To view item details, click on any item, and you will see the item code and item price. Additionally, you can explore available offers, including item price discounts, bank offers, exchange bonuses, and other promotions. You can also view the item description and key features such as mobile size, battery health, version, and more. Furthermore, you can read customer reviews and write your own reviews. Below, you'll find recommended items related to the one you're viewing. If you wish to purchase an item, you can add it to your cart by clicking on Add to Cart. You can then click on View Quote to review the items in your cart or click Back to return to the product page. On the product page, you can also directly add items to your cart by clicking on Add to Quote. After adding items to the cart, click on the cart icon to open it, where you will see the shopping cart details. Here, you can add or remove items as needed and enter your shipping and billing addresses. Once you're ready, click on Request for Quote to review the item details, rate, and grand total. After confirming the details, you can proceed to pay the amount for the items in your cart.